Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing another crochet vlog today. So I'm trying to prep stuff for Geek Fest in August. It is currently June, so we have like 2 months to do stuff. But anyway, I wanted to try out this pattern because I've seen these Labubu Pop Mart mystery monster things going super viral on like TikTok and everywhere, and people are just obsessed with them. And I found this, who wrote this? I found this pattern by Plushie Co. on Threads. She posted it, and it's a Labubu pattern, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to crochet one of these things. I think they're so cute. But yeah, I think they're super popular, so we're gonna crochet one. I'm gonna use this fuzzy little bunny yarn by Premier. A lot of the like Labubus I see are fluffy, so I'm gonna make the little suit fuzzy. So let's go ahead and crochet this. I always forget how hard it is to crochet with this fuzzy yarn, but like the end product is just so worth it. This is gonna be adorable, but I'm definitely guessing where my stitches are, which probably isn't good for the first time doing a pattern, but I want it to be cute, so we're using the furry yarn. Okay, you guys, it's the next day, and I finished making the Labubu. This is what it looks like. I think it turned out cute. I think the eyes are okay. They probably would have been better if they were more like it, but it's fuzzy. Alright guys, so now I do have an order for a sage green mini triceratops. So I'm going to go ahead and make that really fast just so I can get that order out of the way. And then I think for the rest of the day I'm probably going to work on my niece's blanket that I'm making for her birthday, because her birthday is in a week. So I need to finish that. But yeah, I'm going to make this mini triceratops really quick, and then we'll hopefully work on the blanket. Okay guys, I just finished the sage green mini triceratops, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this all packaged up and ready to ship. Alright guys, that's the orders all ready to go, so now we can move on to working on the afghan, because I need to finish that in like a week. I need to finish it by next Saturday, so, and it's currently Friday, so we have to get working on this. I did finish, hold on, I finished making all of the plain pink squares that I needed, and I'm almost done making the first round of all the strawberry squares, and then I'm going to put the white around them to turn them into squares. And then I still have like 10 more of the daisy squares to make, so yeah, I have 2 of these made so far, so I gotta make 10 more of those, and then we can hopefully assemble this all together. I have to weave in so many ends, but that's fine. But yeah, I want to finish crocheting all the squares, weave in the ends, probably block them because they're a little weird. And then hopefully we can sew this together and get it all done in a week, because I procrastinate way too long for this. Hey guys, so we're making some decent progress on our afghan. It is now Sunday, so we have 6 days left to finish this. But yeah, let me show you what I'm doing so far. Got all the pink just squares done. I have all the strawberries done. I just have to embroider the seeds on and weave in the ends. And then I have 2 daisies done, and I'm working on the rest of them. And then once those are all done, we can weave in all the ends and sew them together. So let's work some more on this. Hey guys, it's Tuesday now, and I only have 3 more of the daisy squares left to make, and then we can start weaving in all these ends and sewing our blanket together. So I'm hoping I can finish these and start weaving in the ends. I don't know if I'm going to get to sewing it together tonight or not. It's already 7 o'clock. We got a late start today. Well, I've just kind of been working on it this evening. On and off between dinner and stuff, I've been crocheting. But we only have 3 more left to do the green around, and then I can start weaving in all the ends. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, it's almost 10 o'clock now. I weaved in all the ends for the pink squares. Those were easy because there's only like 2 ends to weave in. I've weaved in like 3 of these daisies because there's like 3 different colors, and I still have to do all those strawberries. These are definitely going to take the longest because I have all these ends to weave in. I almost had an accident with this because one of them I used the magic circle instead of a chain to start, and I cut the string without weaving it in, and the square started to fall apart, and I was like, oh no, I really don't want to make a whole new square. So I like grabbed a spare yarn and I patched it and was able to save it, so thank goodness. But yeah, that was scary. So now I'm like making sure I actually weave in all these ends just in case I didn't use a magic circle. But yeah, still have a bunch of these to do, and then I have to do all the strawberries, and I also have to embroider the seeds on the strawberries, so that's gonna definitely take a little while, but hopefully we can get this done because I just want to sew these together, and I found a really cute border that I want to crochet, but we only have a few more days left. Happy Wednesday, guys. It is almost 9 a.m. I finished weaving in all my ends this morning. So we have all of our squares finished now. So I'm gonna work together. I'm gonna work on joining all these together. I feel like I dropped them on the floor. No. Okay. I'm gonna work on joining all these together. Then we can do the border, and hopefully we can finish this, I want to say today, but I don't know if it'll actually be done today or not. But regardless, we still have like 2 days to finish it, so yeah. Let's go weave these in. I kind of want to find a way to crochet them together, but like seamlessly. I don't know if that's even possible, but like sewing them together takes forever, and I'd rather just crochet, so we'll see what I can figure out. So I fear the only way to join these granny squares with an invisible stitch is to whip stitch them. Because I could single crochet, but then I'll leave like a seam in the back, or I could do a flat slip stitch, but again, you're going to see like a line, and I don't know if I really want to do that, so I might just have to suck it up and whip stitch. This is my little layout that I kind of pieced together in Procreate, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. Alright, I gave up. I couldn't do the stupid stitching anymore, the whip stitching. I had to do the slip stitching. But honestly, I think it looks the same from the front. It's just the back that looks a little different. So like that's doing the whip stitch and then that's doing the slip stitch. It just leaves like a little ridge. But I think that's fine on the back because it looks the same on the front. And it's way faster. So I think we're going to do that from now on. I'm making some decent progress on the blanket. We got the first 2 rows together so far. Let me get a better view, hold on. We got the first 2 rows together so far. And I have all the other rows. I have all the other rows ready to go. Hold on. Alright, so we got all the rows crocheted together. Now I just have to crochet them all together. I got all the squares crocheted into rows, and now I have to crochet the rows together. So we got the first 2 together, and we only have 8 rows. So hopefully it goes by quick, and then we can start the border. My son doesn't know I'm talking to my phone. He's very concerned. Is that right, bud? So it is almost 2 o'clock now. I did stop at the store to get some stuff for the birthday party other than the blanket. And get some Father's Day gifts from my husband. But yeah, I also got some lunch, but it is now almost 2. We're making decent progress on the blanket. I have 2 more rows to crochet on, and then we can go ahead and do the border. So yeah, I don't know how long the border is going to take, but hopefully it doesn't take longer than 2 days, because that's really all I got. Okay guys, the blanket squares are all connected. I think it's looking super cute. Now we just have to weave in these ends and do the border, and then we'll be done. Oh, I love it. Miles. You're going feral. Alright guys, it's like 10 o'clock now. I've literally just been working on this blanket on and off all day, and I'm almost done. I just have one more round of the border to do, and then we'll be done. The border I'm using is actually a video tutorial on YouTube by Miss Zaid. It's just like a lace kind of border, which I thought looked cute, so I'm doing that. It has like these 2 rows of V stitches, and then I think it's like a scallop stitch sort of thing. You'll see when I'm done, but I thought it looked cute, so I'm putting that around the whole thing, and we're almost done. I honestly didn't think I'd get this far today. I'm probably not going to finish the border today because I probably gotta go to bed soon. It's like 9:45, but we'll probably stay up for a little bit longer, but gotta work tomorrow, so we'll definitely finish it tomorrow night, I think, for sure. But yeah, I'll update you guys if I make any more progress this evening. Alright guys, it's Friday. My neighbor's mowing his lawn, but it is Friday. We have to finish this blanket by tomorrow. I only have like 2 more sides of the border to crochet, and then we'll be done, so we're definitely gonna get it done tonight. Right, buddy? Right. Okay, you guys, I've officially finished the baby blanket. I'm out of breath because I ran upstairs. But I finally finished it, and it turned out so cute. Like, I really like how the border turned out. It looks adorable. I think it came together nicely, so let me show you it. Alright, don't mind the Switch games over there. The cat destroyed them, but here is the finished blanket. It is so cute. I think it turned out nice. I really love the edging. I think it's so pretty. That tutorial is nice. I'll have it linked down below for the edging because I thought that was pretty. But yeah, super cute. And I'm excited that it is done. But anyway, that is where I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more content from me, be sure to subscribe and like this video if you liked what I made today. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.